right, it's officially 3:16 and we are off. All right, you guys, it is the night before, literally the night before. We just had pizza, we had drinks, and we are going to bed. So, see you tomorrow. Good morning. Overslept a little bit. Getting her shit together. It's 4 o'clock. We woke up about 30 minutes ago. Your girl has taken a shower. About to head over to the airport though. See you in the next destination, I guess.
The use of vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft.
Including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket.
Okay, so we have one of the suites. We have the jungle view, and this is the bathroom. This is an extra bathroom. Lots of storage over there for clothing. This particular suite has a dining room area, an extra living space area that can be pulled out and converted to a bed. This is, of course, all inclusive. You get all of these little snacks. And then with this suite, you get your bedroom in a separated area, get a little sitting area, table, and you'll also get safety deposit box here. All right, so this suite actually comes with a double balcony, and it has the jungle view. And apparently there are suites that come with your own swim up pool. So we had an incredibly long travel day. We were picked up from the when we arrived to the airport, there was a lot of fuss over filling the customs card that they will randomly give you after you pick up your luggage. So make sure you keep a pen with you, because I had to ask people for pens. One, you come in, you check in, you get your passport stamped, you get your luggage, you get sniffed by drug dogs. If you ever think that you can bring drugs here to Mexico, think before you do that. But as you exit the airport, there are going to be people that are going to want to set you up with excursions and all of that jazz. Do your research on it before you just randomly pick someone. Just walk straight through. Coming out the doors, we were greeted by the 2 taxi services. So a private taxi as of December 13th cost us 51 USD for a private taxi from our hotel to Fiesta Americana. When we got here, our bags were promptly taken. It was a very fast check-in. They gave us a welcome drink and everything. It was very, very nice. We have a private concierge while we're here, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so they will come out and ask if you want to do an interview with them regarding their vacation rentals. You don't have to do that. I politely turned it down. I will ask you if you want to do that in exchange for a massage. So if you don't want to put yourself through that, don't. All right, you guys, I have freshened up. My husband has taken a shower, thank gosh. But we are about to exit and try out the Mexican restaurant. Follow along, because I feel like I was told this place is kind of confusing to find. We are capping off the evening at 7:13.
Yeah, girl.
because we are tired and it is, okay, we're capping off the evening at 8.
It's 7:13 where we're.
But it's 7:13 at home. Hello, good morning. We slept 14 hours, yes. We conked out, I'll throw it up here. We conked 6:30 Central Time, 7:30 Eastern Time. We were, the one negative I have for this room, which is number 3, room 304. We are in room number 304. When we got here, this bedroom is actually far warmer than the bedroom or the extra room that is across the way. It's probably a pleasant 72, 73 over here, and over here it kind of feels like 79-ish. We kept it running continuously. We will let the people know, hopefully whoever stays in 304 next does not have the same issues. But as of right now, we're perfectly fine. We are going around the island tomorrow, and we will pick up a fan like I normally do, that I normally end up donating at the end of our trip. Our last little tidbit of complaint, day 2. Of course, at the very end of this, I'll normally at least 2 vlog videos and split it up. I will do a Karen review of the room. That way you guys can see all of the we may have encountered to help you choose whether or not you like this hotel. But apparently, unless you're gonna be here after December 23rd, ever since October 26th, I believe, they do not have a swimming pool available to swim in. All you have is the across the way beach, which is a man-made beach. That really isn't gonna bother me. I really do enjoy snorkeling, but they are offsetting it, snorkeling trips and a trip to this park. So we give dinner last night. Dinner was probably an 8 out of 10. It was different, of course. There were worms, actual worms. When they say worms, they mean worms. So dinner last night was very good. I do expect that we'll be going back there again at least one more time before we leave. You do have to make a reservation, but the reservations are very easy on your phone. I think I spoke of that earlier, and I will give you a little tidbit over here as to what the menu for the Mexican restaurant looks like. It's kind of hidden in a way, so I'll show you guys tonight when we go to the Italian restaurant how to get there. All right, so we are about to head out and eat some ceviche on the beach and do a little snorkeling and get some sunshine on us and enjoy our very first official freaking day in Cozumel. It's raining again.
This one ain't right.
I am determined that I will be out here on the beach today. First day. Tomorrow we do around the island, and then Sunday it's supposed to rain again, which we should have known a little bit better because last year it was raining again. And we had to go to Playa, and we spent most of that vacation in the hotel room. So, live and learn. It's just raining right now. But you know what? I would rather hear the ocean while it's raining. That's my boo, y'all. Absolutely cannot wait to get in the water. We may have to wait a few days for the weather to pass, but I cannot wait to get in there.
Need a rip.
Yeah.
not really any rain right now anyway. Well, son, the rainbow would be that way if it was anywhere.
I love you.
I love you.
And your cool sunglasses that you borrowed from me.
Look like an old gangster.
Yes. We are here on literally day 1, and we are tired. And we have a long voyage tomorrow. And tomorrow is your girl's birthday. So we may not go to the Italian restaurant, but we are going to figure out what the F we are doing tonight.
Good morning. We are on officially day 3, but really day 2. It is Sunday. It is my birthday. And I have yet to stay up past 8 p.m. every night. We're being big losers, but we ended up drinking quite a bit yesterday due to all of the rain. And yeah, we ended up getting room service last night and hitting the sack. So we were pretty freaking tired. I think just all of the travel has done it for us. But otherwise, today's gonna be a fun day. We get our Jeep delivered in about 20 minutes and we are gonna go around the island. So if that's something that you want to continue to watch, getting a little view of Cozumel and all of the fun places to drink, keep on watching. Hello friends, we are about to head out for my birthday adventure. We had an excellent ham sandwich for breakfast because we tend to wake up a little bit too late and we were waiting on our Jeep to get here. So follow us along on our trip around the island. Okay, so we rented from the usual HTL rentals. They came and delivered it to us and they will come pick it up from us on Tuesday morning. So we got it for 2 days. And this is where you will park if you are staying at Fiesta Americana. It is right behind the breakfast and lunch buffet area. And there's high hopes that we will get access to the pool because it appears they are they filled it up with water and they are now cleaning it. So let's hit the road. They are robbing us. This year, I normally get the Castores. It's normally 30 to 40 bucks, and it's a little bit over $10 here. I'm very sad. All right, we just ate at the buffet. The food is so-so. They had salad laid out, no salad dressing. So I ate roast and some potatoes. The potatoes were the best part, and Cody said that the pizza was the best part for him. It's just a normal buffet. It's always gonna be a hit or miss for you. We are finally about to make our rounds around the island. The reason why we came back to the hotel was because I desperately needed a fan. And if you live in the South like we do, you know that it's required even in the winter. So we are about to head out for real this time. Hola.
Hello. Hi. Hi. She's a big girl. Okay.
Rest in paradise.
Oh, somebody died. Luncheon.
Two.
To a good holiday in the park with the boys and trip to Texas.
There we are. Cheers.
All right, we are tired. We are trying to make it past 6. We are going down to just hang. We could not get reservations for any of the restaurants, so we are going downstairs
Book 'em
just
in
to
advance,
hang
people.
out.
Book 'em in
Please,
advance.
there's a hotel in the back called Explorian, and they get precedence over us. So make sure that you are booking at least 3 days in advance for those hotels at the restaurants. Otherwise, we are just gonna go down and chill. Enjoy the night. Maybe we might get pizza. Maybe we might get room service. I don't know. But we're going.
Okay, here we go.